If pork neck. If it turns out dry when baked, it means you are making a mistake. I am preparing 1.5 kilograms of pork neck. I will season the meat. I add salt, pepper, granulated garlic, sweet ground paprika, dried rosemary. If the neck is dry, when it is baked, it is not the meat, but the time and temperature of baking. I will let the meat sit in the spices for an hour. I will melt 1 tablespoon of lard. I will sear the pork neck in hot fat on all sides. This closes the pores and keeps the juices in the meat. I add onions, garlic, 100 milliliters of lukewarm water. Write in the comment from which country are you watching. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Place in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius to bake for 2 hours. After 2 hours, our meat is cooked. The biggest mistake is to cut it right away. Let the meat rest for 10 minutes. The roasted pork neck should look like this. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.